Hello friends, my name is Soham. Welcome to my channel Coding with Soham. In this video we are going to learn how to make an app which changes its background color on a screen click. So let's get started with our video. In this video we are going to see more interesting topics, new concepts we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started with our video. So here I will drag and drop on event again means first time, and ID will be screen 1 and click. Next I will search for set property. It's here. Let's go to set property, man. And ID will be screen 1 again, and not width, I want BG color. And here I will select red. So basically program is done, but wait friends, let us check it. We can successfully see that the background color is changing to red. So let's try another color. Another color is green. So here, see, it's changing to green. And next is blue. Oh, it's changing to blue again. And next color is yellow. Here we go. It is yellow. It's changing to yellow color. Now next is some new topic is RGB color. RGB color is, let's select it. Suppose RGB, first I will tell you the meaning for RGB. RGB means basically red, green and blue. Red, green, blue. Now I will explain you the values of RGB. The values of RGB are basically common is 255, and let's use RGB in our program. So here R means red, we know, and first value is for red. Second is G, so second value is for green. Third is blue, the third value is for blue. So let's try it. Suppose I will keep red in 245. Oh, it's not changing. 245 2. Oh, why it's not getting changed? Oh, acha. So here it's problem. It has been blocked. So I will again drag and drop it in, and I will select from it in drop down menu RGB. Here it's already 255 of red. I will make it 245 of red. So now let's check our program. See, it's being red. Now as I will decrease it, I will make it 235. We can see the color is slightly changing. Now let's try 0, and let's try green one. So green I will select is 255 whole. See, we can see green, and if I will change it 255 to 210, what will happen? Let's see. See, the color is different. Let's try blue now. Blue I will take is 136. See, blue shade is coming. Now let's come to combination of all this, combination of RGB. So combination of RGB, we will learn how to do it. Suppose I want red in amount of 100 and I want blue in amount of 234. So I have set it accordingly, and green will be 0, 0. So let's see, we are going to get purple color. Now if I will set it to 0 and this to 234, let's see what will happen. See, it's coming green. And if I will do opposite of it, as I will make it 100 and make it 234. See, it's giving us orange color. Now next is making combination of 3. So I will keep red and green as it is and change blue's value to 56. Let's see what happens. Oh, come on. It's again not taking it. So I will throw it in trash. And again select RGB. Here we went 2, 3 and here 4. Here we want, oh no. Yeah, I think we want 0, 100. And let's make it as 255 whole. See, we can see pink color. So I don't know exact shade name for this, but it's light in between of pink and violet. So moving to next topic in this is RGB. Again RGB. Let's get explained with this topic. I will select second RGB. So difference in that previous RGB and in this RGB. The difference is that, see, RGB means red, green, blue. So here values are same. So here we want only these three of values. Then what is this? 0.5. What is 0.5 mean? So 0.5 is called as alpha. Alpha is basically transparency of color, we can say, or if we will change alpha, increase it or decrease it, the slight color changes will happen in our background color. So first I will take red in 255 and 0.5 is my alpha. For trying it, see, this shade is coming. Scarlet type shade was coming. And next if I decrease the value, to 0.4, see, I am getting more lighter color. If I will again do it to 0.5, I am getting darker color. Next is, let's try the experiment. We can try experiment with all of this. Yes, means I will make changes in green and also according to my choice blue also to 4.5. So let's see with alpha what happens. So see, the shade is coming like this, and let's compare this shade to the RGB shade. So here I don't want it. Go. Don't want it. So here we can see the color is something like this, and let's reset it and run again. Oh, it came debug. So we will clear. Dash has been not declared yet. It looks like you left one parameter empty. It means here we have select alpha block. So it will not take alpha with it because alpha's value is nothing. So I will drag and drop it into trash. Here we will go RGB. So here let's make it as 0. Here also 0. What happened? GBS. We need to separate it by comma. See, debug gone. Oh, why? Expected semicolon. We have it. Okay, leave it. Let's take new block again. ID will be screen 1, background color, and here RGB. Here it's 0. Here it's 100. And here is 245. So let's try. I will remove pause and reset it again. See, when we used alpha, the shade was coming lighter than it, and when we used RGB, the shade is darker than it. We can easily compare that. So next property is, what is this? Oh, I know that. Let's learn that. That is basically this code is called a hexadecimal code. This code is given for the background color. So here for example, I have a hexadecimal code as, first I will clear it. Hashtag 32E3CE. So see, I have entered this hexadecimal code. This hexadecimal code belongs to color can. So let's check it. See, we can see can color. So we can take any hexadecimal code as we want. And let's again check our program with a simple green color. See? So let's understand our program. So program is when event, on event screen 1. When event will happen, screen 1 click. On event means on event screen 1 click. When we will click screen 1. Then set property. Set property which we have to set property of screen 1. Which property? Background color. Screen 1 background color, and which color? We need to define that which color we want to change it to. So I want to change it to green. You have already seen the concepts in this all. So I can. So this is whole program. Friends, any query in this video, you can comment me below, and anything you want me to do for you, you can email me. Email is given in description. So friends, subscribe to my channel and like to my videos for more interesting topics. We will have more interesting topics in my next videos. Thank you.